All right, guys, this is the 20th question on logarithm, and sorry, this is the 20th question on this challenge, and this marks the end of logarithm. So I'm sure with all of this stuff we'll be doing on logarithm from the very first question to this very 20th one, I'm sure it's going to help you solve any other question you see on logarithm. But if you see half challenging one, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section. So let's see how we can solve this problem together. Now, the first thing you want to observe is that they all have the same base. So I can go ahead and apply the laws of logarithm. The addition, I'll multiply. The subtraction, I'll divide. So this one, it becomes, these two guys becomes log 4 times 7, right? Base 2 minus log n base 2 equal to 1. Just doing everything religiously, okay? 4 times 7 is 28, right? So this is just like 28. Log 28 base 2 minus log n base 2 equal to 1. So now we take the division sign and we apply the division rule or the subtraction rule. That becomes log 28 upon n base 2 equal to 1, right? So for me to get rid of this logarithm, 2 takes the power 1. So we have 28 upon n is equal to 2 to the 1. And what's 2 to the 1? That's the same as 2. So we have 28 over n equal to 2 over 1. You want to cross and multiply, so we have 28 is equal to 2n, and divide everybody by 2. That means n is going to be equal to 14. So the answer to this question is 14. There are many ways you can go about it. Look at this one. Let me show you another way you can solve it. Log 4 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 minus log n base 2 equal to 1. Log 4 base 2 itself is just 2. So 2 comes to the right answer. That becomes log 7 base 2 minus log n base 2 equal to 1 minus 2, right? Now applying the subtraction rule here, this becomes log 7 over n base 2 equal to minus 1, right? And to get rid of this base, this logarithm, then we have 7 over n to the what? 2 to the minus 1, right? And that's the same as 1 over 2. So we have 7 over n equal to 1 over 2. So you want to cross and multiply. That way you have 7 times 2 is 14 and n times 1 is n. So n is still equal to 14. So guys, that is the end of this particular question, and we've come to the end of logarithm. So the next question will be on a different topic. So I know you cannot wait to see the next topic. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next question challenge. And until then, bye and God bless you.